I'm always happy when a plan comes together. We've been working with a lavender grower for the last couple of months, putting together a bespoke design for his lavender farm. We're using the SW3100, and it is going to be a dynamic type of machine. It is going to sit on this skid. He'll have it on the forks at the front. It's sitting on wheels, so he can easily drop it off the front of the tractor, and it'll go on a 3-point linkage, or forks. Very versatile setup. He's got a good amount of water. You can either use it with the reels and the lances to do detailed hand weeding, or clip onto the front using the European fitting onto the front of the tractor, and have it working with two of our Orchard 90 heads. This is all able to be lifted. It's got chains, and it'll all work to the contour, and we'll check in again in the next couple of days and we'll show you how it works out in the field. But so exciting that this is going out to our customer, and yeah, it's a real innovation for the lavender and maybe the general horticultural industry, designed right here in Australia using the Weedtechnics systems.